So how to quit social media? Well, the fact is you don't quit. Because think about it rationally. It is an unrealistic goal. Because in the next 50 years, you are going to use social media eventually. What you want is to keep using social media, but to reduce the negative effects it has on you. People quit alcohol, people quit cigarettes, people quit drugs. People don't quit social media. Social media is what connects us. You only want to reduce the negative effects of social media on you. And in this video, I'm going to give you the step-by-step guide on how to reduce the effect of social media on you. But before that, you need to understand why we indulge in social media. And to illustrate that, I'm going to explain you a addiction loop that goes like 1. You set an unrealistic goal. 2. You fail to achieve that unrealistic goal. 3. You get upset. And 4. You indulge more. Okay, so you might know this. This thing happens with everyone. So first of all, you set an unrealistic goal. You set a goal that you are going to leave all the junk foods, that from today you are never going to indulge, you are never going to eat any kind of junk food. But then your friend or your parents or your mother brings a pizza. So you thought you want it, but you went and just had one slice of pizza. And after that you felt really guilty. You felt regret, like why the fuck did I eat that pizza? So to get rid of that guilt, you eat more. This is the same thing that happens with chronic masturbators. They set the goal that they're not going to masturbate anymore, and when they watch any kind of porn or any kind of images, they masturbate once, and then they feel guilt, then they feel regret that why did I fucking masturbate? So they indulge more, so they masturbate 3, 4, 5 times in that day, because to get rid of that guilt, to get rid of the bad feelings that they're having right now. And that is basically what happens with people. When you set a goal that you want to leave social media, you uninstall the app. And that is the most foolish thing one can do. Like, what is the friction of downloading the app again? 10 seconds. It would literally take you 10 seconds to download the apps again. Like, I see a lot of YouTubers making videos like, I uninstalled social media. Like, what is the point of uninstalling? What we really want is we want to reduce the negative effects of social media. We don't want to quit social media, because that is fucking unrealistic. So after you understood the addiction cycle, you need to understand the step-by-step process to leave social media and reduce its negative effects on you. Step 1. Set a realistic goal. If you go and track your watch time of any kind of app, for maybe Instagram, you will see that you are literally using the app for 3, 4, 5 hours a day. What you want to do is limit that time to only 1 hour or 30 minutes a day. First, set a realistic goal. If you don't have a realistic goal, you are going to fail. If you set an unrealistic goal like, I will never use social media, I will never use Instagram, you are eventually going to fail. And that is going to give you a negative feedback loop. And that negative feedback loop is going to make you feel bad, and you're going to indulge more. You can go to your phone and you can find in your settings that will keep reminding you that when your Instagram time is gonna end. Like, you can go and set it for every app that you are using, that you are scrolling on right now. You can go to your phone and you can find the settings. It is fairly easy to find that. If you put your mind into it, if you just search for it, you will find it in your settings. Then you set timer for every app that you are currently indulging in. For example, Instagram, for example, YouTube, for example, Twitter, anything that you are currently, most of the people, they indulge in Instagram right now, but you can set the timer for every app that you are currently using. Step number 2, grayscale your phone. Now that is something that is taking it to a next level. Like, when you grayscale your phone, you lose the interest in it. Like, think about it. You're scrolling black and white on Instagram. How the fuck would be interested in it? Like, think about it. You are going and searching for porn and your phone is grayscale and you find the porn to be black and white. How would you fucking get interested in it? So to lose your interest in social media and phone, you need to grayscale your phone, and you can find it in your phone, like the settings. You can easily find it on your settings tab. Step number 3, don't uninstall or delete the app. This is a mistake that a lot of people make. They uninstall and they think that they are never going to indulge, but they are going to. If you uninstall it, you are going to have the desire and you can easily download it. It's not difficult to download an app. It will literally take you 10 seconds to download the app. So what you need to do is you need to keep it on your phone. You need to keep it on your phone and you need to build the willpower by using the step 1 and step 2. And many people say that willpower is limited. Yes, it is. And that's just like saying your strength is limited. When you go to the gym for the first day, your muscles get sore, right? So it means that your strength is depleted. So the next day what happens? Your strength increases because of recovery. The same thing goes for willpower. Willpower is also a muscle. The more you exercise it, the more you use it, it increases. It becomes big. Your willpower levels up. Your willpower increases if you use it. If you don't use it, if you uninstall the app, then it is not going to level up. So that's the third step. Don't uninstall or delete the app. Then step number 4, mindfulness. Now this is something that many people are going to skip around, but don't. Because mindfulness is something that is obviously going to improve your life. Because think about it, if you're mindful that you are using social media to a very large extent, then you will stop using it, right? Because the fact that you're mindful and you're aware that you're using it is differentiating you from the herd. Like think about it, many people don't even care that they're using their phone 6, 8, 9 hours a day. Many people don't even think about how many times they're using. If you are watching this video and you are conscious about the timing that you're using your phone, then you are fucking mindful. And you need to be more mindful to reduce the effects that it has on you. Now step number 5, indulge and enjoy. Now you might say that you told us not to indulge. Well, I told you to indulge less. Well, when you are indulging, the thing is many people hate it. Many people hate watching Netflix. Like they watch it, but after watching they feel a kind of guilt that they are watching Netflix and they are scrolling on your phone. Don't. Because if you feel guilty, because if you feel negative about that, then it is gonna take you back to the addiction cycle. It is gonna take you back to the negative addiction loop, which is gonna make you binge more, which is gonna make you scroll more, which is gonna make you indulge more in it. What you need to do is indulge and enjoy, because most of the people don't even enjoy using social media anymore. Like they are only scrolling because they are fucking addicted to it. Like they don't get the amount of pleasure they used to get when they first started using the phone. And we want to get to that level, that when we use our phone, we feel excited, we feel pleasure, we feel fun while using our phone, not feel like a mindless zombie just scrolling on your phone. We don't want to feel like that, right? Step number 6, increase delayed gratification activities. Now, what are delayed gratification activities? Delayed gratification activities are those activities which will not give you any kind of pleasure right now, which is going to give you pain right now, but they're eventually going to give you pleasure in the long term. Now, these are activities that many people don't do. Like in our society, many people shy away. Many people don't want to become uncomfortable right now. But they know the fact that this is going to help their future versions, that it is going to help their 5-year-old version. But they won't do it because it is uncomfortable right now. So here is a list of delayed gratification activities that you can do instead of scrolling on your phone. Because if you do this kind of activities, it is going to take much more of your time and you have less time to scroll on your phone. You can screenshot these activities and you can use them whenever you're not scrolling on your phone. So summarizing my step-by-step guide, step number 1, set a realistic goal. Step number 2, grayscale your phone. Step number 3, don't delete or uninstall the apps. Step number 4, mindfulness. Increase mindfulness by doing meditation. Step number 5, enjoy but don't indulge. Step number 6, increase delayed gratification activities. Now that you have the step-by-step guide, I am fucking sure that not many people are going to use it. And if you're one of the few people who have watched the video till now, who are interested in using this, who are interested in using this step-by-step plan, then I want you to comment down below when you get the results. When you get the results, come back to this video and comment down below that you see the results. And it will make me very, very happy, and I'll get that positive reinforcement that yes, my videos are fucking helping people. So that's it for today's video, and subscribe to us if you haven't yet, because here we help young men become the best version of themselves. So see you in another video, and until then, have a great time.